Let's go on a nature walk. Ant, ant, letter A. Breeze, B. Cave, C. Dirt, D. Egg, E. Frost, F. Garden, G. Hive, H. Icicle, I. Juniper, J. Kangaroo, K. Leaf, O. L. Mushroom, M. Nest, N. O. Outdoor, O. Pine cone, P. Quiet, Q. Rock, R. Sand, S. Tree trunk, T. Underground, U. V. Volcano, Water, W. Zero fight. It's kind of a trick word. It looks like X, but sounds like Z. Yucca, Y. Zealous for nature. Letter Z. We found something in nature for every letter of the alphabet. Now, let's look at different types of land and landscapes. Canyon, C. Meadow, M. Grassland, G. Jungle, J. Mountain, M. Savanna, S. Forest, F. Rainforest, R. Dunes, D. Coral reef, coral, C. Glacier, G. Desert, D. River, R. Farmland, F. Pond, P. Tundra, T. Swamp, S. Ocean, O. Lake, L. Volcano, V. Beach, B. Waterfall, W. Next, we will find fruits and vegetables for every letter in the alphabet. A. Apple, apricot, A. B. Banana, blueberry, B. C. Coconut, cauliflower, carrot, cantaloupe, corn, K. D. Dragon fruit, date, D. E. Eggplant, F. Fig, F. G. Grape, grapefruit, green bean, G. H. Honeydew, I. Iceberg lettuce, I. J. Although this one is a trick again, it's pronounced jicama. K. Kiwi, K. L. Lemon, lime, L. M. Mushroom, mango, N. Nectarine, O. Orange, onion, O. P. Pineapple, potato, plum, pepper, peach, pear, pumpkin, P. Q. Quince, Qu. R. radish, raspberry, S, strawberry, sweet potato, spinach, T, tomato, U, ugly fruit, U, V, Vidalia, onion, W, watermelon, X, another trick word, zigua, starts with the letter X, Y, yam, Z, zucchini, Z. Let's talk about the weather outside. Sunny, S, cloudy, C, K, rainy, R, foggy, F, thunderstorm, TH, tornado, T, earthquake, E, windy, W, snowy, S, hail, H, or sleet, S. There are many jobs for people who love nature. Park ranger. Park rangers protect our nation's parks and manage the lands that people enjoy visiting. They make sure that visitors follow park rules to keep our nature spaces clean and safe. Marine biologist. Marine biologists study marine or water life. They study everything from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales. Environmental scientist studies how we as humans affect all the environment around us. They help to figure out how we can solve environmental problems. Some topic studies are our atmosphere, waters, and habitats. Conservationists want to help us preserve our planet. They help protect our natural resources like water, air, and soil. Their goal is to keep our environment clean and healthy so that our future is as great as it can be. Tree surgeon, tree climber, or arborist. Like a doctor does a checkup on you, they check the health of trees. They take care of trees by taking off branches if needed, planting new trees, and taking down trees if they are unsafe for their environment. Basically, they make sure our trees are healthy, safe, and beautiful. Geologist is a scientist that studies what makes up the earth, the surface, and the history of the earth. They study how rocks were made and what is happening to them now. This includes the rocks that you see every day on our surface, as well as volcanoes and the ocean floor. Zoologist. A zoologist is a scientist who studies all about animals. They learn about their every detail, including the history of them. Similar to a zoologist, a wildlife biologist also studies animals. They focus more on how they interact with each other in their natural habitats. Botanist is a scientist who studies plants. This is important to us to understand and protect our plants because people and animals need them for oxygen to breathe, and they help provide us with important nutrients as well. Archaeologist. People who study archaeology are interested in understanding our past. They learn about things that are left behind, studying the ground and materials. Farmer. A farmer works with land to grow and harvest food. They can also raise animals to help us too. Finally, let's do an activity to sort the food by color. Tell me if the food is red, yellow, green, or purple. Kiwi. Green. Raspberry. Red. Grapes. Green. How about these grapes? Purple. Apple. This one is yellow. broccoli, green, pepper. This is a yellow pepper. Avocado, green, lime, green, strawberry, red, cabbage, purple, tomato, red, banana, yellow, eggplant, purple, pear, green. That was fun learning through nature today. Check out our other fun videos for more learning time fun. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.